we went through 2 exercises which very much had to do with our body, the yes and no, head and feet, and the sympathy, heart, and the flow through the metabolic system in the legs. And now we come to an exercise which in a way starts to open up towards what's around me and what's centering me. I build up a connection towards all which is around me, and I build up a connection through my heart towards carrying me, the earth. And then I try to find this middle in between. And the next 2 exercises, they will now reach further out into this realm which is around us and which supports us from there. Yeah? Because what's outside, it's not just outside, we have it in our body, but we address it by going there in the last 2 exercises.